So very good afternoon, very good evening to one and all. We are going to start off with today's session. And today's session, we are going to learn about automations on Facebook. How do you automate your Facebook pages so that your page will engage with your visitors and grab their details. Whatever details you want, you will be collecting their details and safeguarding those details so that in case if you are sleeping, the next day you wake up and collect the details of your customer and start contacting them. And this way, it is possible through automations. So I'll just show you a sample automation. Say for example, this is a page on which I'm going to run the automation. I have 3 Facebook pages, as you all can see. One is Freshers Jobs in Kukatpalli. The other one you have is basically Freshers Jobs in India. And the third one is digital marketing. So now let's see how do we automate this. Now I'm going to send a message to my Facebook page from my personal ID. That is, this is my personal ID, Funny Kiran Patnaikuni. So these are my pages. So basically you have pages like Freshers Jobs at Kukatpalli, digital marketing, jobs for freshers in India. So this is something which I'm going to automate. So I'll just get onto this page, and from my mobile Facebook Messenger app using my Patnaikuni Funny Kiran, my personal ID, I'm going to now start the discussion. Just see how it works. I have just mentioned hi. You can see that I have just mentioned hi, and it is saying, hey Patnaikuni. It is addressing me with my first name, and then it is telling, welcome to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Hope you are doing great, and we are very excited to guide you through our interview process. Are you ready to know more about us or looking for job opportunity with us? If I say yes, I am looking forward for job opportunity with you, then it will again further give us another instruction. We hire candidates for our BPO division or a call center, and we are looking for candidates who have qualified their inter. So I'm talking about the basic filters. The person has to be above 18 years, and kindly let us know if you are interested to know more about the questions and answers. That will help you to prepare and apply for the interview. When you prepare and apply for the interview, the chances of you getting selected will be very high. So the moment he clicks interested, it will be directing him to my personality development interview tips tab. I'm giving him, please go through the sample questions in the link below. Kindly open the below link in a new tab. So by right clicking, he has an option to open the link in a new tab. And when he does this, you can see here that Facebook is going to direct him to my interview tips tab, where he can browse through the questions. So this way I'm not only driving my Facebook traffic to my website, but also when they click on the questions, they can also be directed to my YouTube channel. So this is one way of lead generation or traffic generation, and through your Facebook page. And then once you are done, so that means you are prepared with the interview questions, then we are asking them, kindly share your name and mobile number, and my team will contact you in 48 hours. Subscribe to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpalli, Hyderabad to receive job updates. Thank you. So this way I am trying to drive people to my page. How is this possible? It doesn't require any coding. You should just know what is the framework that you want to run it through. So once you are clear about it, then this is going to work. Now, let us see how we have designed a particular framework. I'm going to show you on the PPT. Now, this is what I wanted you all to be very clear. So let's see, this is a starting step. Hi, I'm talking about the first name. In case you are visiting my Freshers Jobs in Kukatpalli, then it will address you. Hi, so-and-so name. Welcome to my Facebook page. Would you like to know about this page? If you say yes, then automatically it will direct to this message. This is a Facebook page that invites application for BPO jobs in Kukatpalli. We hire call center executives who can speak Hindi and English and who are above 18 years of age. Want to apply? Yes? No? If you say yes, then it will again say kindly go through the interview tips by clicking on the website link below. Open link in a new page. Once completed, click the done button. If you click on interview tips and open it in the new page, then you can read through the questions. And once you click done, thank you for your interest. Please share your name and contact number and my team will get back to you within 24 hours. And after somebody types for 10 seconds, then you can add one more step. Thank you so much for your details. So this is a simple automation which I'm going to practically run. Now, in case if the person says no, then directly give him a message, thank you, have a nice day. Like we have seen the previous Facebook post. Here, in case if I say no, say for example, if I'm clicking as not interested, it will automatically give me a message, thank you, you have a great day. So this gives you some kind of understanding and the background that you have to fit yourself into the customer shoes and try to understand, in case if we chats like this, what are the 90% of your visitors, what are they going to chat with you on your Facebook page. Accordingly, prepare these replies and give these replies to them. Now we are going to learn. In next 10 minutes, you are going to master this skill. Okay, for this I use a free tool which doesn't require any coding, and this particular free tool is called as Silverboards. One second, where is this? Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally. Okay, so now I'm going to open this page, and this particular new thing is called as Silverboards. The first time you are getting into Silverboards, you can simply click Silverboards. What do you mean by a boat? Boat means a robot. Robot means it uses artificial intelligence and communicates with people basis on the inputs you share it with it. So now you are going to go here, and I'm already logged in this. In case you are a new person, you need to go sign up with them. After signing up, then you can log in. Since my account is already connected, let it be my Facebook, this is actually a Facebook bot. It also can be used for LinkedIn, it can be used for multiple other things, because right now today I'm just going to show you how I use it for my Facebook page. Try for free. So it is asking me, you must be an admin of a Facebook page. You all might have Facebook accounts. You cannot use Silverboards if you don't have a Facebook page that is a business page for the products that you are selling on Facebook. Click continue. It could be products or services. Now, you're previously linked Silverboards to Facebook. So continue as my name. I want it to be connected to my personal account. Now I have 3 pages. Digital marketing, freshers jobs at Kukatpally. Which one do you want to connect? So I'm saying connect to freshers jobs in Kukatpally. So it's saying a success. Okay. Now this is my boat URL. Jobs in Hyderabad. So whatever it is, jobs in Kukatpally, you can actually check it out, anything. So this gives you just a basic statistics. This is a new tool which I recently identified and I started using it, and it is giving, I mean, fairly good results because it's interacting with your customers. So you can see here there are 13 new users who have come recently in the last 7 days, and 1 new user and 2 are active users. So it's just tracking your visitors who are coming, who are going. So this is something about the uniqueness of this report. Okay, so I'll just show you this. So you go here, this is a dashboard. So this is the basic dashboard that we were all watching till now. And if you see the full report, it can probably, in case you're selling any products, then it will talk about products. It's given for today. We can check it for 1 week or 30 days or whatever it is. But mine is not something which is an interview related. So I'm not selling any products, but I'm trying to make my life easier by getting people database who are interested in applying for interviews with us. So Similarly, you can check anything. You can check email. You want to do an email marketing. You want to message them something. You can use all these things. So let's get into how to create a bot, which is the most important step. I generally use this tool only to create flows. Now, what do you mean by a flow? The flow is nothing but how do you want the questions to appear. So I'm just clicking flow. Now I already have 3 flows. So whichever one I want, I can do it. But what I'll do, I'll simply say add flow. I'm going to create a flow right from scratch and show you. So give a flow name. Okay. So welcome to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpalli. So this is going to be the name. So I already created a welcome message 1, default reply. Now in front of you, I'm going to create one thing that is welcome to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpalli. And now I'll say continue. Now you enter the main screen. This is similar to the PPT that I have shown you. This is very much similar to the PPT that I have shown you. Starting step, and this is how I'm going to create the flow. So starting step, send a message. I'll click here. So this is how it is. I'll go customize it by putting a text box. Okay. In the text box, I need to type a message, and I'm going to simply, I can't copy it here. I can simply say hi, and I'm going to take a tag. This is something will give you tag. So I don't know your name. I don't know who is visiting my page. So whoever visits, they have declared in Facebook with their first name, last name, middle name. So whatever they have declared, pick the first name. Okay, hi, first name. Welcome to my Facebook page. So what did we write? I'm just trying to make it a little faster. Welcome to my Facebook page. Would you like to know more about this page? So I'm creating right from scratch. So this should help you guys. So there are 2 things. One is add button, one is a quick reply. Quick reply, when you say it will give you 2 options side by side. If you don't want it, you can simply select it and you can delete it. You can delete it. Now add button is something which will come vertical way, up and bottom. You see here it's top, bottom, but this one will come sideways. So you can select anything as per your wish. You can customize it. By selecting it and deleting it, you can delete it, any of them. Hi, first name. I'm telling you, say for example, you visited my page, Freshers Jobs in Kukatpalli. Hi, so and so. Welcome to my Facebook page. Would you like to know more about this page? Now, what could be the possible options? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Save. See how simple it is. One more button. Click on the button. You have this edit button. Simply type no and save it. So the first step is saved. So once you're done with the next first step, the second step is you have to talk about it. Whoever says no, thank you, you have a nice day. So people who say no, I'm just going to click it and drag it. Okay. Just by clicking it, you get a second option. Now here I'm going to take a text message. Thank you, you have a nice day. Because when he is not interested, when he or she is not interested, there is no point in engaging with them. Thank you, you have a nice day. And the flow is gonna end here, right? The flow is gonna end here. Now, in case if he says yes, then take it here. Now, if you want to adjust this, what do? You simply drag it here. Similarly, you will bring the second one here. Similarly, you get the third one just by selecting it and dragging it. So here you want a message. So what will I write here? I will have to add the text box. Click on this. This box will come. Select the text box. And here you are going to say, this is a Facebook page that invites application for BPO jobs. This is a Facebook page that to be more specific, I'll give them the location. Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. We hire call center executives who can speak Hindi and English. Okay, so once we are done with this, now what we are going to do, we are going to give them an option. Want to apply? That means, do you want to apply? Are you interested in are you interested to apply? Are you interested to apply? So here it's a question mark. Now you have to give them two buttons, yes and no, right? So add a button, add one more button. The first button, I'll rename it as yes. And then I'll save it. The second button, see this will, what will happen, the customer need not type everything. He can simply select from the drop down menu, yes or no. So what will happen if the answer is no? Thank you, have a nice day. So select no. Here you will take a text, thank you, have a nice day. Full stop, that's it, save it. Now if the answer is yes, then I have to give a message. Kindly go through the interview tips by clicking on the website link below. I'll select this. Kindly click below link to prepare and attend for your interview. Okay. And I'm also giving them an update that we hire for call center executives. So here it's a website link. So you're going to give the website link, and I'm also telling them once completed, click the done button. Once he's prepared, he has to click the done button. Kindly click below on the website link to prepare and attend for your interview. Once done, kindly click the done button below. Now I need to give two buttons, the first button and the second button. In the first button, I'll say kindly click on the website link. So I'll write website link. Okay. And now I'm going to give or I can give a link to it rather than I'll give a website link. So website link, I'll give a link. I'll go to interview tips. I'll go up. I will simply copy this interview tips. Okay, interview tips. I'm going to select the link, Control C, and paste this link here. And you can simply save it. So if somebody clicks on the website link, they'll be directed to my website. Now I want to give a second option. I'll add one more button and done. What will happen? Now the person will come onto my website. He will click on this link. He'll go through the question, and I will also mention open it in a new tab. Kindly click below on the website link to prepare and attend for your interview. So here I'll write, kindly open the link in a new tab. Once done, kindly click the done button below. Now this button has to be a done button. Button 2 has to be done. Now, what will happen? What should happen if he clicks a done button? I want to thank him for applying, and I want to let him know that my team will contact him if he shares his name and contact number, and my team will contact him within 24 hours. So now for done, I need to have one more flow. Now I'll take a text box. Thank you. Thank you for your interest. Kindly share your name and contact number so that my team can got it. Get back to you in 24 hours. My team will schedule your interview and get back to you within 24 hours. It's thank you. So with this, we will be ending the flow. The flow is kind of completed. So what we are going to do, this is how we are going to segregate everything. See, let us see how did we do it. We had hi first name, welcome to my page. If you say yes, or if you say no, I'm going to stop the flow here. If you say yes, then I'm going to give you details about what this page is all about. In case the person is interested, then I'm going to give you one more message. If you are not interested, thank you, have a nice day. And in case you are done going through the website link, then here I have something for you. So here I have something for you. Thank you for your interest. Kindly share your name and contact number. So now once you are done, okay, let us try to understand by previewing this item. The moment I click preview, see, look at my freshers jobs in Kukatpalli. It started. The flow changed. See the conversation here. Hi Patnaikuni, welcome to my Facebook page. Would you like to know more about this page? Did we write the same thing? Yes. Hi first name, welcome to my Facebook page. Would you like to know more about this page? So I'll just go here to my Facebook page. I'll just try to refresh it once again. And I'll just publish this. You know, after publishing it, it is very important that you also have to refresh it. So once this is published, you get a message success. When it says success, it has been successfully published. Now you go there, and if you're going to select yes, okay, just refresh it once again. This button is a refresh button. You have to refresh it, otherwise the old bot will run. The new bot that you have just created, for it to run, you have to go here, select yes. This is a Facebook page that invites application to BPO jobs, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. We hire call center executives who can speak Hindi and English. Are you interested to apply? See, anywhere you say a no, then it will say, thank you, have a nice day. But if you say yes, it's going to say, kindly click the link on the website to prepare and attend for your interview. Kindly open the link in a new tab. You go there, right click, open link in new tab. Your personality development interview tips will automatically log in here. So people can directly go and read the questions. By clicking on the question, they can reach out to your YouTube channel. And now when you go down, if you say done, it's asking for the contact details. Thank you for your interest. Kindly share your name and contact number so that my team can schedule your interview and get back to you in 24 hours. Thank you. So the moment you give your name and contact details, this data is saved. This is how we have got so much of data. You can check it out. All these things are data. So even when you are sleeping, this is going to collect the data. And when it is going to collect the data, you are going to make use of it. So now what I do, I have done a preview. Now I'll publish it. Without publishing, it is not active. This is a preview which only I can see. If preview is perfect, then I'll go ahead and publish it. Now if you go back, the new one is added here. Welcome to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally. It was created on 8/31/2020. Already created one. If you want to modify, you can simply select here. You can rename it, you can edit it, you can duplicate it, or simply you can delete it. So whatever you want to do, you can do editing. So how many ever you want to create, you can create. This is a free tool that anybody who has a Facebook admin page and you are an admin for Facebook can simply go ahead and do it. So this is something which I wanted to discuss with you, and this is how I run Facebook bot, that is called as Facebook automation. And if you look at it, Silver bots can be used not only for Facebook, but it can also be used for LinkedIn, and you can use other accounts also. It's a messenger bot that helps you to automate. Silver bots is also there for YouTube. So you can actually go for paid version. It will support multiple applications. If you are using free version, maybe it will support limited applications. Okay. So I am done with my session for today. I hope you all enjoyed the session. In case you have any questions, we can discuss them right now. Guys, anybody having any kind of questions can shoot.
Yes, sir. In the free session, like free version, for which we can use like Facebook and
See, you can do it for
we can.
anything. I mean, see, I use it for Facebook. You want, you can use it for YouTube. This is Silver boards for YouTube. And you have something like Silver boards for LinkedIn. The process is the same. You need to just explore it. You need to go to Silver boards for, I actually opened Silver boards for Facebook. You can use LinkedIn, you can use YouTube. It's an all-in-one messenger marketing bot. You can try the same practice on Facebook or LinkedIn or YouTube. Wherever you feel you have more contacts, you can try it out there. The process is the same, ma. Yeah, tell me. Did you understand today's class? Is it rocket science or is it easy to understand?
Very easy, sir.
So that is how it is. Automation is like this. So people, big companies, see, imagine, yaar, digital marketing is a beautiful concept, because if you know all the, like at least these kind of concepts now, each one of you can individually run your own business. You need not hire call center customer care executives who will contact your customers. You can yourself contact your customers and do the sales. You can sell courses online. You can sell products online. You can do affiliate marketing. So everything you can do. So guys, this is the beauty of Silver bots. There might be so many bots which are available. If you go for a paid version, they'll give you more number of bots, more number of social media platforms to be used, more number of platforms you can use in one account. So these kind of benefits you might have. Any other person who has any other doubts? Yes, anybody having any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, we are done with the session. And from tomorrow, the session is going to be even more interesting, because tomorrow I'm going to talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. How you can promote the products of Amazon on Facebook or any social media site, or maybe on your website for that matter. So next 2 to 3 days, I'm going to cover affiliate marketing. So Max, as I promised you, once affiliate marketing is done, then you have something called as Google AdWords, Google Ads. Like Facebook ads, you have Google Ads. Once you are done with Google Ads, we are done with digital marketing training. And I hope each one of you are benefiting out of this program, right?
Yes, sir.
Great,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Anybody else who have any questions?
Sir,
Yes.
I was practicing Facebook ads, like you said in that,
Mhm.
but when it is asking the details regarding the card and all those steps, I given all that. Minimum 1,000 rupees is the limit, sir, if we want to create an ad.
See, it's not like minimum 1,000 rupees. Yeah, you can actually see there are different ads. Awareness ad is there, branding, like you have reach, you have lead generation, you have traffic. There are multiple ads. Depending upon the kind of ad you have and how much active are you on Facebook, that determines the budget cost. See, I would not ask you to make any payment to Facebook and run ads right now. The reason being, see, Google ads is more powerful than Facebook ads. Google ads, you can use lesser budget when compared to Facebook ads. Because I'll tell you what, in Google ads, when you are checking your mails or something, you get ads. Facebook, you are targeting people who are more likely to buy your products. That means you are targeting people who are more likely to buy your products. They are not searching for your products on internet. But in Google ads, people are actually searching for the products in internet. Now tell me one thing. You want to buy a rinse soap for your family. Your mother says, please go and get me a rinse soap. You want to buy a rinse soap. You go out and you keep asking in the shops. If you get soap, you will purchase it and bring it home, right? But if you are showing rinse soaps to everybody uses a rinse soap. So for everybody, you're telling everybody uses rinse soap. Let me do advertising for everybody. So everybody is your target market. That's what you're doing in Facebook. You have to create demand to people who are not searching for the products. Hence, conversions are less on Facebook. But whereas Google search, people are actually searching the product. You're reaching out to the people who want the product. So conversions are high on Google ads. The only difference between these two is Facebook is demand generation. Google ads is demand fulfillment. People are searching for something, you are fulfilling it, that is demand fulfillment. People don't have a demand. You need to generate one demand and ensure they buy it. That's a marketing concept. So demand generation is Facebook ad, demand fulfillment is Google ad. So Google ad will have more conversion because people are searching for the product. Did you understand difference between Facebook and Google ads? Yeah. So see, you go for a shop, man. You want to buy a razor. You go and say, you want to buy a shaving cream. You say, I want to buy a shaving cream. They'll say, buy this shaving cream, you get this razor free. So what is it? Razor, they're trying to create demand. Shaving cream is something, it's a demand fulfillment. You're going to get that. You want to buy it. In addition to that, they're giving one more discount. You take a biryani, you get a drink free. Drink is going to expire in 2-3 days. So what he's doing, he's selling off the stock by increasing the price of the product by little margin and telling, take this product that is free for you. Doing a bundle sale. Getting it?
Sir.
If you understand these concepts, you'll become a great salesperson. Okay? Any other questions, guys? Good. I'm happy that at least towards the end of my session, you people are asking me questions. And guys, one thing I strongly tell you all, guys, if you people have been following my sessions so very dedicatedly, especially these 5 or 6 people. So I wanted to tell you that please go through these if you haven't gone through this. There are some FAQs here. See, now that you are coming to the end of the session, only affiliate marketing is left and Google ads. So what I would suggest is go down and check out these FAQs. You have frequently asked questions in digital marketing. I have done a session in one college for 4 hours on digital marketing, non-stop, without a stop. And trust me what, these are all MBA students. None of them have even taken a nature call break. They were all sitting like statues in the class and they were listening to my class, and the director was so very confused. He came, the faculty came. We thought it's a 1 hour session, sir, but I was really impressed with the kind of questions these people asked, and they were so very connected with me. And it is for my own college, for my own sub-juniors. I graduated from Paida College in 2006, and 2 years back, I went to Paida College for doing this digital marketing session, free workshop for my juniors, my super juniors. So now when these people interacted with me, they were not moving out, and the director was calling the faculty and telling them, see how these people are sitting. This is what is interest. So there is something that they found interest, because this is going to be their career. This is going to change their career completely. Because of the COVID, we need to work largely on the digital products, and very few people are realizing this fact. And trust me, these 3 FAQs are the best videos that I've ever made, because you have PPTs in it, there are questions and answers in it, and gives you a detailed understanding of what digital marketing concepts are all about. So try not missing these 3 by clicking on them. You go to the YouTube videos, but these 3 things will give you career guidance, how digital marketing will help you to make a great career in your life. This is what I would try to suggest you to go through over for tomorrow's class, because affiliate marketing is something that's a money earning concept, and it depends on, if you can promote, then you can earn. How much ever you promote, that much ever you can earn. I will teach you how to do free promotions as well as paid promotions, how to put banners on your website. So that is also going to be covered in affiliate marketing concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you so much for your time, guys. Good night. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.